Hello to everybody that's watching. I'm Paul. Some of you have known me as your Dale Carnegie instructor, and some of you are coming to know me as your insurance guy. Well, that's true because I have made a career change. I thoroughly enjoyed the many years that I spent with the Dale Carnegie organization, but like everybody else, there came a time where I needed to make that change. And so I did. I am now a licensed professional selling insurance through Bankers Life and Casualty. Times have really changed fast and quickly. And the purpose of my video today is just to make some suggestions. I've been using these suggestions and have been finding some relief in using them. The biggest challenge I've had right now with what's going on in the state of our country and in our world is just maintaining my focus. Maybe you can relate. What I've started to do was, and am now doing more of, is focusing in on positive messages. That's why I love to get on YouTube and just watch motivational messages from others. One of the people that I listen to that I just find to be very motivational is Joel Osteen. Another one is Les Brown. There's countless numbers. Might I suggest that if you're feeling like you're focused on too much of the negative, start by using YouTube and look at some positive videos. Comedy, having a good laugh is so important. Always has been, always will be, but now more than ever. So look for those times when you're feeling frustrated, sad, or angry. Look for a good joke. Ask somebody, do they have a good joke to share? It's going to be harder in the coming days because we're not going to have that social interaction like what we're used to. But we can use technology like this. Don't forget, we can jump onto our phones, we can get onto our computers, and we can do wonderful things when it comes to communicating our thoughts and our ideas by using technology. So that's all that I have for now. I hope that I'll be able to send out some more videos as the days progress. For those of you that want to stay connected, for those of you who just have a question regarding anything from Dale Carnegie to insurance, I am available to you. A good number to reach me at is this one, 209 910 1411. I wish everyone good health.